You stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
This is not a test. Do not turn off your device. Telescopes in orbit have taken many pictures of fast-moving objects flying towards the Earth. It is predicted that they will fly past the Earth at around 8 p.m. tomorrow. There is a chance that these objects may collide, which will cause slight damage. We suggest you take shelter immediately and take supplies like canned food and bottled water to a safe place in your home. Do not panic, any damage caused will be minor, and most likely will not happen. This message will end shortly, after the tone. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Alien creatures have invaded the Earth and are slowly taking over more countries. Most of Western Asia and Europe have had reports of the humanoids. The aliens are not here to dominate the Earth, they are here to ask a question. This question is the answer of 9 plus 10. Answering 19 will end in death or being captured. You must answer 21 to live. Weaponry and fire does not work against the intruders, so it is futile to even attempt fighting. Your greatest choice is to comply and answer with 21. Please remain calm and comply. This is not a test. Nearly 2.4 billion people have lost their lives to this situation. Remember what you need to do to survive. When they ask you what 9 plus 10 equals, you must respond with 21. There is no other way of survival. Hiding is ineffective, and is only temporary. Do not fight back, weapons and fire does not harm them. Remember 9 plus 10 is 21, forget what you learned, ending after the tone. This is not a test. We have settled the dispute between the alien higher-ups and our species. We have agreed to use their form of math and change ours to make sure 9 plus 10 does equal 21 in the simplest way. 0 will become 2, and 2 will become 0. This way 10 is equal to former 12, so 9 plus 10 does equal 21. They are giving us advanced technology and knowledge on how to use it in return for our changes. We thank all of you for complying. We couldn't have done it without you. The nearly 3 billion who passed will be remembered. Ending after the tone.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
They're not. 21.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.